Greetings, friends. Watch the refrigeration news for Wednesday, July 15, 2020, on our channel. Let's go. First news today. ENGIE Refrigeration Laboratory in India has received WHO accreditation. Underwriters Laboratories, ENGIE, a leading global safety science company, has announced that its refrigeration laboratory in Gurugram, India, has received World Health Organization (WHO) accreditation as a designated third-party testing laboratory for refrigeration equipment used for the storage of vaccines. This includes cold rooms, freezer rooms, solar-powered refrigerators and freezers, coolant packs and related equipment. In addition, the WHO accreditation allows ENGIE to carry out full quality assurance testing, on-site installation and commissioning of cold room, freezer room and related equipment and coolants. The accreditation for ENGIE is part of WHO's Performance, Quality and Safety (PQS) process. PQS pre-qualifies products and devices in order that WHO member states and United Nations purchasing agencies help assure of their suitability for use in immunization programs. Before a product or device can be added to the PQS database, it must be tested. Verification testing establishes whether a specific product from a specific manufacturer satisfies the requirements of relevant PQS performance specification. With WHO accreditation, ENGIE will now be carrying out these tests to verify performance, quality, and safety. ENGIE received the PQS accreditation for refrigeration equipment and devices after demonstrating to WHO officials the ENGIE Refrigeration Laboratory's conformity capabilities to appropriate internationally or nationally accepted standards or codes of practice. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. July 2020 marks the bicentenary of the birth of William Rankine. Celebrate William Rankine, a founding father in the field of thermodynamics. See the full program and book your free place at eor.org.uk. July 2020 marks the bicentenary of the birth of William Rankine. Join a special webinar celebrating his life and achievements on the July 27th. Register for this free event to find out just how influential this Scottish engineer and physicist has been in shaping the modern world. Rankine is well known as one of the founding fathers of the science of thermodynamics, but he is also a key figure in the fields of metallurgy, shipbuilding, and civil engineering. Each presentation in this celebratory webinar will deal with a specific field that Rankine influenced and will be delivered by a specialist in the subject, with renowned physicist and TV presenter Helen Gzerski hosting the session on Rankine's legacy in thermodynamics. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. ENGIE Refrigeration has supplied new PENSUM AIR at a large German laboratory. Roughly 6 months ago, ENGIE Refrigeration GmbH from Lindau on Lake Constance, Germany, redesigned its air-cooled PENSUM AIR series and further optimized it for use in medium capacity ranges. The refrigeration and heating specialist has now been able to deliver a model from the new series within Germany. In future, a PENSUM AIR from the FreeCool line, with a refrigeration capacity of 295 kilowatts, will ensure the requisite indoor climate at a large research institute. The future is in the making at research and development institutes. It is therefore very fitting that the first chiller from ENGIE Refrigeration's PENSUM AIR series, which was redesigned in January 2020, will be deployed in precisely this working environment. After all, this model is also fully geared towards the future. For example, the PENSUM AIR now operates with even greater efficiency in the medium capacity range than its predecessor, especially under partial loads. This chiller is also particularly eco-friendly and uses the future-proof Refrigerant AIR 454 bytes. This has a low GWP value of 466 and, consequently, already meets the future requirements of the F-gas regulation, which take effect in 2030. For a large German research laboratory working in the field of infectious diseases, this was the key factor in its decision to choose a PENSUM AIR from the free cool line. The customer was also won over by the low overall weight and the extremely low noise levels made possible by the machine's installation position on the roof of the building. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. Beijer Ref extends distribution agreement with Carrier. Beijer Ref and Carrier extend exclusive agreement to distribute Carrier DX's comfort cooling products in several countries in Europe. Carrier is a leading global provider of innovative heating, ventilating and air conditioning (HVAC), as well as one of the largest owners in Beijer Ref. Beijer Ref, the world's largest global refrigeration wholesaler, has had the exclusive rights to import and distribute Carrier-branded direct expansion residential and light commercial heating, ventilating and air conditioning products in a number of countries in Europe since 2015. Such distribution has just been extended until the end of year 2023. As previously, the amendment gives Beijer Ref exclusive rights to distribute Carrier-branded direct expansion residential and light commercial HVAC products in several countries in Europe, while allowing Carrier to sell Carrier-branded products in these countries. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below